So good morning, everybody. So pretty excited this morning, even though I'm kind of tired after last night at Heiko's house. We kind of had a pre-fishing dinner last night with the subscriber who won the contest that Marathon Matt put together. So we're heading down, all the way down past Marathon today with Corey, the winner of the contest, and Heiko, of course, and Marathon Matt. And we're going out to do some sword fishing today, some deep dropping, some mahi fishing, some tuna fishing. So we're gonna hit it hard today, but we hit it hard last night, let me tell you. Freaking awesome.
All right, what do we got?
It's crawfish etouffee.
All right.
But we're gonna add shrimp with it, so it's gonna be crawfish shrimp etouffee.
All right, we'll take it.
And we're gonna call it Keep the Curse Away Etouffee.
Oh, okay. Keep the curse away at Etouffee.
It's gonna be a marvelous day.
I love it.
So now we're just gonna let it simmer down, let all the flavors get together.
All right.
It won't take too long.
I think we need to have a toaster and a drink. Where's your toaster?
Right
Here we go.
All right.
There we go to Corey. Making it happen.
Thank you very much to everybody.
Part 1. Tomorrow, part 2.
There we go.
So what do you think?
It's pretty amazing. It's like sweet, and it also has a bite. The onions in there, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Oh, really good. It's really good.
All right, so maybe we just get a spare room and just have him move in.
Yes.
All right, Corey. Corey, you're in.
Oh, I can grill too.
And you can grill too.
Yeah.
Yes, sold. Very good.
Can't wait to sit down and have a dinner. That's gonna be
Yes.
awesome.
Oh yeah.
All right, Corey. Corey, he's working hard. He's working hard. Look at
sweating,
him.
people. I'm
He's sweating.
sweating.
He's working hard. We're gonna do what Matt did. Just kind of.
Well, there you go. We're gonna go ahead and eat, and we'll get back to you.
There it is. You the man, bro. You are the man. Wait till tomorrow. Matt's gonna put you on fish tomorrow.
I hope so.
It's gonna be great.
I hope so, actually.
It's gonna be great. All right. So Heiko's on his way over now. Like I say, I'm excited, although I'm feeling kind of roughly excited. But we're gonna have a good time today. So come along with us. This is gonna be a lot of fun. We got a lot of personalities on board. It's gonna be a very, very interesting day. Follow me for the rest. All right, so we're all the way down. I don't even know where we are, what key we're in, but we're getting ice, and it's turned into a fiasco.
Dumb it.
It is bad. That's it? That's it?
You should have seen the first time.
All right, we're at Marathon Matt's, but it's not Marathon anymore. There we go. There's Corey, our fisherman of the day.
We are here.
Here comes Mon Capitan. Da, 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 da. The Falcon, our chariot for the day. Look at this. Look at this. New house. Look at that brand new house, man. That's beautiful. Little pool, little house. Very good. Very good.
That's big.
I'm impressed.
That's a huge
I'm
falcon.
very impressed. All right. Well, here's my new home away from home. So we got the curse is now hopefully almost undone, but we have one ceremony to conduct, and that will be the burning of the sage. And, what? It smells like sage.
Now this is dragon blood sage. It's supposed to bring good prosperity, good luck, and bring safety upon all travelers. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna wave it around. We're gonna wave around everybody, bring good prosperity, get rid of all of the bad energy,
All the bad juju.
all the bad juju,
Get rid of the juju.
all the bad curses on Heiko here. He needs extra help.
Yeah. Let's put him in it.
That ain't the sage he's used to.
And here we go. And that's all it is right,
All right.
there. All the bad juju should be clear and free. Let's go catch some fish.
Let's go catch some fish.
You know the deal. Follow us. Here we go. Nice. There it is, the open ocean. Just like in Nemo. The ocean. It's going to be a really great day no matter what happens.
Wooden boat.
It's just amazing. Look at this wooden boat. Look at this boat. Look at that wooden boat. How cool is that? This is another part of the Keys. This is a whole nother different world than from where we are in Key Largo. So I can't tell you how excited I am. This is so freaking awesome. And it's just going to be a great day with great people. So follow us. We got a perfect situation going on here with birds, weeds, everything.
That bird's diving right in front of us. See him? Like 1 o'clock. Bam!
Oh, there he is. Okay, he's closer now. I was looking farther out.
What do we got?
He was just diving on something.
On something. Maybe a mahi, maybe on a bar jack.
This is a perfect weed line right here, man.
Yeah.
Fish on,
Has he
fish
jumped
on.
yet?
Here, Heiko, you want to grab this camera?
There you go, bring him over. It's on here.
Is this yours?
Hold on, I'll open the box. Keep the rod tip out. Do not give him any slack.
There's so many cameras.
Right.
Stop. Wait, what is wrong with us?
The most famous mahi in the world.
What's your left?
3,
Swing the line.
Dan's holding a GoPro. Tell me what.
The most famous mahi in the entire world.
Right there. There you go. Oh, we put the rod in a holder.
All right, Corey.
Oh, he will slap the crap out of you. We're going to hold on to him a second, Corey.
All right, fish number 1. That's awesome. Buoy is down. I don't know if you can see it out there, but the buoy is
I'm
down.
driving the hook on the buoy fish right
So
now.
right now we're about to, we're setting the hook. And it's going to be game on here in a couple of minutes. So, be patient.
He's still on there.
It is game on. Fish is definitely on, but he's coming towards the boat.
Who's going to be on the wheel, Dan?
Dan will be on the wheel, I guess.
Dan is on the wheel.
Shit, pressure's on. Pressure's on. Dan's on the wheel.
He's going that way. Just swing the nose around this way. All right, go to neutral, Dan. Heiko, grab the gaff. Where's that gaff? Straighten the wheel out.
Gaff is right on this side over here.
Get up and swing it to
Dan on the controls. Look at this. Ah! All right, buoy's off. We are now fighting the fish. All the pieces are coming into play. This is where it all happens. This is going to be the magic. That fish hits the surface, everybody will go pandemonium.
I think he's that way.
Here's the weight.
Right now, you want to hook the weight, pull it in, pull it in. Okay, Heiko, do not boomerang that. Do not boomerang it. Hold on.
There we go. Nice.
Okay, fish is up on top.
You see him up there?
There you go, nothing but fish.
Bam,
now.
baby.
Nothing but fish. Nothing but fish.
He just came off.
Whoa!
He came off right there.
No!
Yeah, he did. I just.
Gone. So, the swordfish thing didn't work out for us. We had it right up next to the boat. We had him hooked, but he didn't want us. And then we found out we really didn't want him because he was a short. So now we're Rosieing it, Elizabeth's favorite fish. Captain Matt has made a special rig just for her. It's called the Rosie rig.
The Elizabeth Rockin' Rosie rig.
Elizabeth Rockin' Rosie rig.
RR.
We got 4 channels on this boat today, which means that if something happens, 55 cameras immediately click on, and it's Bizarro World. So if you want to see this video over and over and over again, just scan YouTube, you'll find it. All right, and one very important thing that we're doing today is PC Fun and Heiko are going to attempt a 1,000-foot drop for the first time. And we'll see if the PC Fun Kraken reel can actually withstand this intense pressure. What do you think? Will it happen? Will it happen?
Release the Kraken!
50-50.
I think he's in.
He's a sponsor. 50-50. He's killing me, man.
Hey, it's deep. 1,000 feet is deep.
It's 1,000 tootsies. We know it's gonna make it down. We don't know if it's gonna make it back up. So what we've got is a competition between the PC Fun reel right here and Matt's, what is that, Matt? What is that?
It's the Daiwa Sea Power.
The Daiwa Sea Power 1200. Did you hear that? Daiwa Sea Power 1200 versus the PC Fun Kraken. Who will win? Stay tuned to find out. Dun, dun, dun. Kraken has hit the bottom, and we got bites. We got hits. Matt's got fish on. Matt's got fish on. Heiko's got fish bites. It's getting crazy.
Oh yeah, look out there. He's gonna go. He's Got him.
Oh, don't tell me. Very rough. Very rough. Oh, shit.
What? Didn't work.
Rod is like busted up over here.
What?
Button slipped, Rod came over. Rod is saved.
Get in there.
Still on the bottom or?
Yeah, I'm still on the bottom.
Damn it.
Yeah, I'm stuck on the bottom too. There must have been a hill there that we both hit.
Yeah.
Watch them, they're really sharp, okay? Corey, be careful.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, I mean, they're...
Oh, man.
Little morsel.
Dinner! Dinner is served!
Breakaway definitely did the job right there.
So Matt picked up a couple of quick 4 Rosies, which was pretty awesome.
There you go.
Even though we lost the weight. Heiko lost the weights and the fish
I lost my bowl balls.
and his heart. He lost his heart in 1,000 feet of water. I lost my heart.
The ocean, it's a heartbreaker.
It's not for the
She's
meek.
rough.
It's not for the meek. Right, Court?
Right, right.
It's not for the
You gotta be
meek.
tough.
You gotta be tough.
If you can't handle it, stay on land.
in love with your tackle. Do not fall in love with your tackle.
There you go. And you heard, there it is. That's the message of the day. Do not fall in love with your tackle.
Yep.
Don't name your vertical jigs. Kraken X reel can bring a 10-pound weight up from 1,000 feet. That's groundbreaking technology.
I will be sold at that point.
Yeah, Dan's gonna buy one. Are we good to drop?
We are good to drop.
All right.
I'm worried I feel like when I drop this is gonna snap the line.
Drop the damn thing.
Make sure your spool's
Do it nice and easy, yeah.
Nice and easy.
Oh my god, it's
It's gonna go
up.
straight
It's
down.
going down like a rocket.
Straight down.
All right. Why, hello, Elizabeth. I know who edits all the footage.
That's correct. That's pretty good. Hey, man.
Dan's been on his best behavior today. He's reapplied his sunscreen 0 times. I got fish on here. I feel it twitching.
Turn the boat. Slight modification. Take the wind on.
There we go.
Oh, I see color. Oh yeah, come on. Let there be a
What do you got over there?
I don't know yet. But
I'll take one. I'll be happy with
You got
one.
more than one. I see one. You got one. Nice.
Oh, there it is.
What do we got?
Oh, 3?
You got a triple.
Yeah.
I got a double.
These waves are gonna pop the lid off.
Yep. You're gonna have to grab the weight and get that pulled in here. I got one little guy. He's going back.
What am I grabbing? I'm trying to grab the weight.
Yeah.
Yep.
I got two little
I
guys.
got the weight. I got the weight.
That's a good one right there.
Take them about a second.
All right.
Go.
Woo-hoo.
Did it.
Nice job, PC Fun.
Wow.
That's a beauty. He's a
all
beast.
the way up from 1,000 feet.
He's a beastly.
That's a nice
Yeah,
one.
that's a good fat one.
Yep.
Well
That's a
done.
nice fat one.
Well done.
That'll
This is turning out to be an absolutely awesome day.
From
So
that.
Corey, our star subscriber, is just about to do his first deep drop
Dropping it
here.
down. Here we
He
go.
is dropping it down. Go, man, go.
So I'm gonna keep you vertical, Corey.
All right.
And what we're gonna do is when you hit the bottom, you're gonna lay it down. Just leave it lay there.
Just leave it lay there.
Yep, just, you're gonna hit the bottom. You're gonna let it lay there. And you're gonna watch that rod tip. And I'll show you how to run the rod here. I'll get you.
All
What's
right.
your number on the rod right now?
Right now it's 315.
And don't, be careful, don't pump that middle button, that'll reset it. And you're gonna be hand cranking.
Oh no.
Done it.
Hand cranking for 340. Oh no.
I've done that before.
And hand crank 1,000 feet.
Oh, I've done it.
So we got Corey dropping down now. And we got Heiko having a beer.
Flip this
It's
up before
beer
you
time.
And you know why? Because he's successful with the PC Fun. It happened. It worked. So, yeah, that thing is That's got a lot of potential. We're talking about Matt. Matt's got a lot of potential.
There we go. All right, Corey.
Good deal, Corey.
Corey's first deep drop.
There we go.
Nice.
2 Rosies.
Yes.
One to throw back and one to throw in the cooler.
Yep.
That's what I'm talking about.
Nice catch, Corey. There you go, buddy.
Thank you, thank you.
Nice. Well done.
Woo! Look at that fat belly.
That's how it's done. We all know that deal.
Get into my belly.
The Elizabeth rig has worked again. All right, there we go. We're meeting the neighbors already. So there's Mr. Ozzy.
Yeah.
Hopefully his son will see the video.
Yeah.
And we had a really great day today. We had Corey with us, so a subscriber who won the contest to break the Swordfish Curse. We had a swordfish on and it was great. Unfortunately, he got off just before, but here's the deal, he was a short. So, you know, not every day, not every trip is a 250 pounder. We got a mahi, got a bunch of Rosies. But the best part was it was an absolutely fantastic day. Great friends. The middle of the week, I took a day off from work and there was hardly anybody else out there. So it was just a great day. So you know the deal. I appreciate you guys. Elizabeth and I love you guys and we can't wait to see the next subscribers that come down. Thanks a lot for following us. You're building the channel for us every day. If there's something specific you want to see, let us know. But in the meantime, hey, thanks a lot for following the Florida Fishing Couple. Greg and I were out there today catching crawfish. We were out there getting, you know, we were up to our waists catching shrimp as they would come up and try to bite our fingernails, and then we would scoop them up, and then we got the crawfish out of the. We'd never seen crawfish before in the bay, but today crawfish came into the bay. Corey and I, we captured the crawfish together. So this is a true catch and cook.
True catch, clean and cook. Yep.
True catch and cook. That's it. Got Corey getting all excited right there. He's getting all excited.
Yeah, I'm excited.
His hair is starting to grow. He's so excited.
See, look.
It's awesome.
He's way stronger than you think. Push it.
I got it. I got you.
And heading holds on, Dan. You have to turn it off. Finger up under the gill.
I don't know how to do that, bud.
Thumb in the eye. Thumb in the eye.
Yep. I got another boat crashing us. How do you turn this off?
You gotta hit the standby here.
Aha.
We're gonna do a shout out to Clay. I told him I was gonna hook a swordfish on full moon yesterday, and he didn't believe me.
See, Clay? Told ya.
Told ya. All right, Dan, get back on the wheel.
Dan, back on the wheel. What do we got? Forward. This is where the shit hits the fan, right here. Got it.
We need one more GoPro. We don't have enough.
Got it. All right, so Rose, all right.
This is the Elizabeth.
All right, so the swordfish, so the sword, blooper. What she said.